Here's how to record your audio on PC for free. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can record your audio on PC for free. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So what you have to do is just go to your web browser first of all. So I'm just going to go to Google Chrome, or you could use any other web browser. But yeah, just go to Google Chrome. And once you're in Google Chrome, what you need to do is just search up Audacity. So I'm just going to type in Audacity. And here it is, as you can see. It already shows up right over here. So what you need to do is just press on Audacity download. And now what you need to do is just press on this link right over here, or you could just press download for Windows. But yeah, you just press on download Audacity. Once you press on it, here you will be able to see three options. First for Windows, and then Mac OS, and then Linux. So if you got any of these operating systems, you should just select one of those. But I'm just going to go for Windows as I'm using Windows. So once I press on Windows here, as you can see that I get different types of bit installers. So 64-bit, and then a zip file, and a 32-bit, and then 32-bit zip file. So I'm on a 64-bit, so I'm just going to go with 64. But if you're on 32, you could just go for 32. But yeah, just press download. And it's just going to begin downloading. So here, as you can see, so I've basically already downloaded, so I don't need to download it. So once you've just downloaded it, it's pretty simple. You just need to install it. But yeah, I've already downloaded it, and this is what it looks like here, as you can see. So once you download and install it, you will be right over here. So what you need to do is just, if you want to record your audio on the first, you have to press on this red icon right over here, or you could just press R. So just press on the red icon, or just press R on your keyboard. So I'm just going to press this. And here, as you can see, my recording has been started, and now it's recording. But yeah, if you've done your recording, if you want to stop it, so just press on this right over here on the stop icon. Just press stop, and here, as you can see, the audio has been stopped. So let's say if you want to hear or preview your audio again, just press on play, or you could just play space button, or you could just play your audio. Here, as you can see, the audio is playing. But yeah. So once you've done and did everything with your video that you wanted, or your audio that you recorded, and it's finalized. So if you want to export it to your PC, it's pretty simple. What you need to do is go to File, and then press Export Audio. Once you do this, you will be able to see Export to Computer. Just press on it, and now name your file. It could be anything. I'm just going to type in test number 2. And then just browse and select your, where do you want to select it. So I'm just going to go for downloads and then press export. So here, as you can see, it's done. So now let me check it. And here you go. I've basically recorded my audio for free on PC. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.